Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Digitwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block adult websites on Mac. So if you want to make web browsing suffer without limiting access to every website, your macOS include a built-in feature to automatically block many adult websites. This setting helps you filter inappropriate content while still allowing access to most other websites. It's a convenient option if you are setting up your Mac for a child or simply want to reduce exposure to adult content during normal browsing. So if you want to turn on this feature, just follow these steps. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Screen Time and then click on Content and Privacy. Now make sure to enable the toggle right to Content and Privacy, and here click on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now click on the drop down menu right to access to web content, and here choose Limit Adult Websites. And if needed, you can also click on Customize and allow specific website or block additional websites manually. All you just need to click on this Add button in Allow section and the website will allow. And if you want to specifically block a website, then in Restricted section you can add that website and click on done, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.